Hello mountain riders. With the all-new model year 23 lineup of mountain sleds, we're pushing the boundaries of rider-centric innovation, and it doesn't stop with the machines. Across our portfolio of accessories, apparel, and oil, we're redefining what it means to customize your ride. Whether you're planning to snow check or you already have a matrix sled you'd like to customize, finding the best combination of apparel and accessories can make a good day great. Today I'm going to walk you through our mountain accessory collection, a set of carefully selected products that elevate the mountain riding experience. Check it out. If you're a mountain rider, this is the ultimate combination of accessories for you. When you're out there in the steep and deep, there's no turning back. So you have to be able to bring everything you need for a full day of riding. The Lock and Ride Flex large Brant bag provides enough space for all that essential gear. And for model year 23, we're introducing all new carbon print colorways with red and blue accent options on our best-selling signature Brant bags that let you carry your essentials with a custom look. The shovel jacket attaches seamlessly to the Brant bags and provides a nice pocket for carrying a shovel when you're pushing the boundaries and the snow gets especially deep. And to keep you riding in any condition, a spare set of goggles is a must. Keep them handy and accessible in the convenient goggle handlebar bag, which attaches seamlessly to the handlebars. We all know how rugged the mountains can be, which is why the Sentry front bumper, Sentry skid plate, and Sentry rear bumper are all essential items to outfit your sled. This is the ultimate trio of accessories for completely protecting your machine, and they come in several different colors so you can design your sled just the way you like it. Speaking of style, our grill inserts are another great way you can add additional color customization to your sled to really make it your own. But the news doesn't stop with the mountain accessory collection. Let's take a look at a couple of other accessories that we're launching for the mountains in model year 23. Whether you're shredding it up in the backcountry or testing your skills on a hill climb, the ultimate knee pads are made of long-lasting, high-quality, durable foam that provides protection to your knees during intense riding, and they seamlessly and unobtrusively integrate into the design of your sled. Also new for model year 23 is the 100% waterproof roll top bag. This bag is Lock and Ride Flex enabled, so it can easily be added to your storage configuration. And as the name says, is completely waterproof to protect your valuables and features a roll top design which allows for easy access. And we know how important a comfortable ride is in the mountains. And it all starts with the right fit and body position on the machine. With the all-new RMK adjustable handlebar mount, you can shift the handlebars forward or backward to get the perfect fit, reducing strain on your body. This will give you a more natural and effortless feel, letting you ride easy knowing that your grip is firm and your arms are stable. This product works for riders of all sizes, but will provide the greatest benefit for our shorter and taller riders. Lastly, now more than ever, we're seeing our customers use their sleds to access the backcountry to ski and snowboard. So for model year 23, we're introducing the all-new, versatile Lock and Ride Flex Adventure Rack with a ski and snowboard attachment. It's a fully integrated accessory solution that makes it easier than ever to bring your favorite sport along for the ride. Now that we've covered off on the accessories you'll want for customizing your mountain sled, let's take a look at our new lineup of Tech 54 apparel so you're ready to gear up for the season in the latest styles. Our Apparel Center of Excellence developed Tech 54, a waterproof, breathable membrane featured in every Polaris jacket, bib, and monosuit. This exclusive technology keeps water out while allowing perspiration to escape, so no matter how you ride or where you ride, you stay dry, warm, and comfortable. For model year 23, we're excited to introduce the all-new insulated backcountry monosuit. This is an advanced insulated one-piece built with a 4-way stretched 20K material, along with 3M Thinsulate insulation to provide warmth in any riding condition. Perfect for crossover riders. It also enables free range of motion and prevents snow from getting in to keep you comfortable and dry. Specifically for mountain riding, we've got our new Radiant Green Apex jacket that matches the new Radiant Green sled color for model year 23. We also have brand new colorways in the 509 Altitude 2.0 and 509 Tactical 2.0 helmets. It's important to also remember the essential maintenance items to have on hand to keep your machine running at peak performance. In the mountains, reliability and power is vitally important to make it over the next hill. Using the right oil designed for your machine is critical to keep your sled running reliably all day long. We have a full lineup of high-performance two-stroke oils, leading with synthetic VES Extreme, the only oil recommended for the high horsepower two-stroke boost engines and still the best performance product for all the two-stroke snowmobiles. This premium full synthetic burns clean, keeps the engine running at peak power, and provides ultimate wear protection even in high-performance mountain machines. If you want to learn more about which of our oil options is best for your sled, be sure to visit the Polaris website. You should inspect your drive belt regularly and adjust as needed. At some point, the belt may need to be replaced. Depending on the way you ride and the miles you put in on a season, it's always smart to carry a spare belt under the hood to make sure that nothing gets in the way of a day of fun. Polaris belts offer the best reliability because there's no clutch recalibration, there is less wear and tear due to heat, they ensure maximum performance for your vehicle, you can spend more time out riding and less time wrenching. Covers are important because they protect your sled from winter elements like snow and ice, from dirt and slush while trailering, and from harmful UV rays that can fade coloring over time. This keeps your sled looking new much longer. Polaris covers are the best option because they are intentionally designed to perfectly fit your machine. Our products feature premium materials for advanced protection and long-lasting durability, and include rider-centric features such as integrated zippers and easy-to-use cinch straps. That's our model year 23 mountain rider accessory collection, new apparel and accessories, and of course our critical maintenance items. As you place your SnowCheck orders, don't forget to look for the rider accessory collections on the Build and Quote site, along with our new maintenance package, so you can order everything now that you need for this upcoming season. For more information, visit Polaris.com. Stay safe, and we'll see you out there.